Prinect Packaging. The packaging market is growing, so are quality requirements. Whether simple or complex folding cartons, customers expect error-free and reproducible products at low costs. This is exactly what Prinect Production supports. Commercial printers who want to add folding cartons to their portfolio can simply continue working in their familiar Prinect environment. You can meet both requirements with just one workflow. Purely packaging printers benefit from special functions and a largely automated production workflow. It starts with automatically created structural designs, including three-dimensional visualization, and extends to sheet production, the press room, and finishing. Prinect Production optimizes packaging production. Processes become leaner, manual interventions and time expenditure are reduced. There's more time for more complex orders. The following applies to both workflow models. Prinect Production automatically creates nested layouts for different machine or material formats. The direct comparison of different calculations makes it easy to quickly select the cheapest production variant and saves both material and costs. A wide variety of special colors is often used for packaging. Prinect Multicolor simulates this by using 7 colors that remain in the printing unit. This drastically reduces the effort involved in wash-up and make-ready. Another advantage of the workflow integration is the automatically provided scheduling and pre-setting data on the printing press and the provision of the relevant parameters for further processing. The production workflow can be expanded at any time to include Prinect Business for optimal control of all commercial business processes. Furthermore, Prinect Production allows other workflow components such as data transfer from prepress from third-party suppliers or connection to third-party MIS systems. Prinect Production is a workflow for all requirements, including packaging printing.